How to change language on Forex Trading School and Game app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change the language on the Forex Trading School and Game application. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Forex Trading School and Game app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear button. Now, once you're inside the settings menu, scroll down and under choose your language, select the language you want to change to for the app. Once you make a selection, you'll notice immediate change on your device's language preference. You can get back to the same menu and choose to a different language you want to change to whenever you want. So there you have it. It is super simple. That way you can easily change your app's default language setting using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.